Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you are doing well, keeping yourself happy, busy, and healthy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make beer bratwursts and potato coddle. Coddle is eaten in Ireland, and the food is layered and slowly cooked. This dish turns out amazingly delicious. I'm excited to show you how I make this, so join me in the kitchen and let's get started. In a pot or Dutch oven, I am going to cook half a pound of thick bacon. I've cut the slices in half-inch slices. Cook them on medium heat until they are browned and crisp. Listen to that sizzle. When the bacon is browned and crisp, take them out and place them on a plate or bowl and set aside. I am leaving the bacon grease in the Dutch oven because I am going to cook the beer bratwursts in the bacon grease. This is a pound of beer bratwursts. Cook them until they are browned on all sides. After the bratwursts are browned, take them out and place them on a plate and set aside. To the Dutch oven, add 2 large sliced onions. Sauté them until they are translucent and browned. The onions took about 7 minutes to turn translucent and brown at medium heat. To the onions, add 4 minced garlic cloves and half teaspoon ground black pepper. Stir and cook for 1 minute. After the minute, take onions and garlic out and set aside. For this dish, you will need 4 cups of ham broth. I have dissolved 2 tablespoons of ham bouillon base in 4 cups of hot water. For now, I have poured 1 cup of the ham broth into the Dutch oven. The broth will help in deglazing. I want to scrape off any bits of flavor left behind from the bacon, sausage, and onions. Now it's time to layer the ingredients. I have 5 large potatoes that I've cut in chunks and placing them at the bottom of the Dutch oven. I am adding parsley to this dish. I like to wash and dry the parsley and place in a cup with water in the refrigerator. This way, the parsley stays fresh for a week or longer. To the potatoes, I am sprinkling parsley. Use as much as you want. I just use my hands to take the parsley off the stems. Then layer half of the onion mixture to the top of the parsley and potatoes. Sprinkle half of the bacon on top of the onions. Then place the bratwursts. Pour the reserved 3 cups of ham broth over the layers. Then sprinkle the rest of the parsley. Layer the rest of the onions. Then sprinkle the remaining bacon. This is layers of goodness. After you finish layering all the ingredients, bring it to a boil, then lower the heat to low medium. Cover and cook for 1 hour. An hour has passed, and this is what the coddle looks like. Now I am going to place the lid halfway on the Dutch oven and continue cooking for 1 more hour. This beer, bratwursts, and potato coddle was absolutely delicious. The flavors were savory and concentrated. This is a wonderful dish. I added a piece of crusty Irish buttermilk soda bread to complement this coddle. I have a recipe for this bread, and I'll place the video at the end of this one. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed already, please do, so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.